Hi guys, welcome to this channel, Never Age TV. This is where we discuss the issues of life. And today, guys, it is a serious matter that we are discussing here. Because guys, have you ever known that somebody can fall in the bathroom? You know, in the bathroom there is soap and you can slide and fall. And it can be fatal, guys. You can die. You can break your lips. You can hit your head against the wall or against the sink. So what happened? Hey guys, let me tell you something. I don't know if hey people, let me ask you, do couples lock the doors on bathing? Like if you are two in the house, just the two of you, and you have entered the bathroom, do you have to lock the bathroom? Why I'm asking this is because this man is heavy in weight and he's showering. Then at one point he slides and falls down and hits his head against the wall. Guys, I'm taking some yogurt. Oh gosh. And this yogurt is, oh, forgive me, because this yogurt was in the fridge. And you know what I've been going through, and here I am taking something cold. But I have to take it because I feel my stomach wants something and I'm very, very hungry and I don't have time to cook. And also yogurt is good for us ladies. Guys, let me tell you the story I was telling you. These are two people, just two people who live in the house, and they are elderly. Not so elderly, they are in their midlife. And then the gentleman is showering, but then he slides in the bathroom and falls down. And the fall was big. It was loud. So, he screamed just once. Just once. And then went silent. He was hit on the head. Behind the ear here. That's why he was hit. And guys, do you know that can kill? That one can kill, guys. You can die. Very, very easy. Falling. I've had cases of people who fall in the bathrooms and they die. So, this lady, the lady of the house was in, but she was in the next room. And I'm thinking it is not the next room. I'm thinking, I'm not very sure because this story was told to me. But I was being told that she heard the scream and thought it was outside. So I'm thinking maybe she was downstairs or something. When she heard the scream, she wondered, who is that screaming outside? And left it at that. Guys, she waited and waited. 5 minutes. You know, men don't take a lot of time in the bathroom. You know, there before the gentleman entered the bathroom, the lady was preparing clothes for him to wear, ironing. And they were now already done. So, the lady waits and wonders, why is he not coming out to dress? Why is he taking so much time? And then, normally she knows how many minutes the husband takes in the bathroom. So she went checking. But before she could even come close to the bathroom door, she heard some sound. Like, it is not a scream this time. It is like hissing sound. The guy was so hurt that he could not even scream. He fell down, hit his head against the wall, near a sink in the bathroom, and then slid and fell down like that. So, she hears this sound and she's like, now calling the husband's name. Guys, she called. The husband was not answering, but she could hear him. He's inside there. So, it's very unfortunate, guys, because she went now trying to turn the lock at the door, but it was locked from the inside. And this is why I'm asking you guys. You know, we can never protect or prevent ourselves from anything. It is only God who protects us. But I'm thinking that when we are just the two of you in the house, I may be wrong. Do you have to continue to go ahead lock the bathroom from the inside? The issues I've even heard about the bedroom not being locked. I don't think it is also very wise, especially when you are alone, to lock the bedroom from the inside. I'm not sure. Here we are just talking, guys. Please subscribe to this channel. What do you think, guys? Should you lock yourself, like when you are just the two of you in a house and one person is not in? Maybe you have gone on a safari. Are you supposed to lock yourself in there with the lock, with the key, such that nobody can open from the outside? No, we don't want those maids. You know those what do we call them? Yeah, maids. That no, when you do that, it's like you are calling death unto yourself. No, let's remove that from there. That one is not going to count for today. Because, guys, I am thinking that had this guy opened the door, had this guy not locked the bathroom from the inside, this lady would have accessed her in good time. And I'm not saying that he was not saved. Thank God he was saved. But what happened is she took a lot of time now trying to call the neighbors to come and break the door. And they were very, very careful when breaking the door from the outside, because they didn't know how far away he had fallen from the door. If they kicked the door, they would have hit him. If the door just kicked on the inside and broke on the outside, on the inside, it would maybe it wouldn't even kill him if he was not dead. And they were very, very careful. So it took a lot of time because they had to unscrew that door, that lock from the outside. Oh my God. And this man was now not screaming but making a sound like, and the lady could not even be contained. Would you be contained yourself? Because you don't know now after breaking this door what you're going to find in there. And guys, because we have had stories of people falling in the bathroom and even losing their lives, this lady was in a dilemma, was very worried. And even the people that were assisting her to open were also very, very worried. And guys, let me tell you something. They managed to break that door after a whole 20 minutes. 20 minutes to break the lock. And the guy was still lying there, injured. And now what I cannot tell you here is the extent of the injury, because what they did, immediately they managed to access him, they took him to the hospital. And guys, let me tell you something. There are things in this life, I'm keeping on touching here because there's water dripping from my hair. There are things that happen in this life. Can you imagine somebody has fallen in the bathroom? Obviously, we don't go to the bathroom when we are dressed. We go there when we remove our clothes and shower. So we are naked. Then we fall down there. And when we fall, the people that are coming to rescue us, you just find us the way we are. And what is this that I'm saying? That is nothing. It is not something of substance. It is not even important when you want to save life. In fact, when it comes to saving life, what I'm saying is irrelevant. Because who cares whether you are dressed or not? This person had to be rescued. And it took time because he's being rescued in a way that you cannot shake him. You don't know which part of his bone is broken. And then you have to now, dress him. Dress him, a very injured person we are lifting his heart like this, and he's saying, oh! He's not even able to scream because of pain. So guys, they managed that they took that patient to hospital, and the report has not come, how the situation is, but I decided to do this video so that we can discuss these things. Do you have to lock yourself in the bathroom when showering? If there are not children in that compound, or if it is a bathroom of your, if it is your bathroom, do you have to lock yourself in there because of whom are you hiding yourself from? Another thing is, guys, it is always good to check on people. Be very alert when you live together in a home. Yes, don't be ignorant. Keep on checking on somebody. Things have happened, guys. Imagine if this lady was not in, and this man fell in the bathroom and did not have any rescue. After how many hours in the day would he have been rescued? If you are available, it is good to keep on checking on somebody, especially your partner. Keep on checking on them. Yes, keep on checking on them. Some of these things we ignore, but let me tell you, you can save a life. Things can happen. Things can happen. Things can happen. So always keep on checking on somebody. And you surely get to know somebody's procedure. This person wakes up, enters the bathroom. After that, he goes downstairs for breakfast, or he goes to the kitchen, or he does what. And it is not only the lady that should check on a man. Even men should also get the habit of checking on their ladies also. Don't be ignorant that she's just there. No, check on them. Everybody is very, very important. And anybody can slide out there and fall and break their back. Who would help them? So guys, that is what happened, and I decided to share it with you. And somebody commented about the scrubbing of the bathroom. And you called people to rescue, and they say, oh, why did he slide? The bathroom was not properly scrubbed. What is that? Soap will always make you slide, however scrubbed that bathroom may be. You can step badly, you can step on soap, you can slide and fall. Don't start saying, they don't even scrub their bathroom nicely. Please don't say these things. Don't say these things. It's very annoying to even think that when there's an accident, somebody is also going along those lines. And you wonder, where are they heading when going that direction? Does somebody come to your house to clean the bathroom for you? You obviously know as a lady that your bathroom should be scrubbed every other time, because actually even you yourself can fall in that bathroom if it is not properly scrubbed. So you may have your help, you may do it yourself, but you cannot start saying when an accident has occurred and start saying, okay, their bathroom was slippery. Guys, please subscribe to this channel, and here we discuss issues of life. No reason for anyone to be offended, but discussing issues that can help us change a situation tomorrow, or avoid a death, or even an accident. And this was the situation today. And guys, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.